Good morning, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to the Regina Young and Zy Boy channel. So I am up today, and as you all know, tomorrow is a big event. It will be February the 10th. I'm so excited. We will be going out to the community, giving away certain items like blankets, cups, teddy bears, candy, and we're doing our Valentine's dinner. So I'm up and I am preparing to prep the meat so I can leave it overnight tonight to marinate. Right now, I've only got 3 pans started, but that's because I have to season them all and flip them all over and then let them marinate. I usually like to allow my chicken to marinate for 24 hours. It gives the chicken a great flavor. I can't explain it. So these are quarter legs. Whenever you're doing an event, you want to get chicken that does not cost a lot of money. In Delaware, you can get chicken as low as 39 cents a pound at local stores like Save-A-Lot. Sometimes you can get them at Redner's. Redner's does it sometimes for 59 cents. Byler's does it for 59 cents to 79 cents. But quarter legs are usually the cheapest chicken there is out there. It's a thigh and a leg connected. Now, you can cut them apart and just do thighs and then just do legs. But whenever I'm doing an event, I don't do any of that. I leave it all as one because it takes so much work. I still have to get the ham. I still have to fry my fish, the cabbage, the greens, the beans, my macaroni and cheese. So I have tons of other food that has to be prepped and prepared. So around midnight tonight, I will begin the process of cooking. Now, I like for my chicken and stuff to marinate for 24 hours. In this case, they're only going to be able to marinate for 12. But if you put them in the oven and you cook them slow, underneath the heat of about 300, you can cook it for several hours. And guess what? It marinates. It's just like doing, I watched this on Bobby Flair Chop. It's where they submerge the meat in hot like water and they seal it. I'm going to use pan lids on these. So these will actually be sealed. So all the juices will stay in there and the seasons will be able to soak in. Some of the seasons that I'm going to use is each pan of chicken will be a little bit different. I like to use all different kind of seasons. One I like to use is the curry Jamaican pattern. One of my favorites. The second is the mosquito barbecue because we are doing a barbecue one. I always use bay leaves in my chicken. I can also do this chicken because there is actually going to be 3 more pans of chicken. I could do a spicy jerk chicken. I always put this on all the chicken. As you can see, great product to use. And then I use my garlic pepper and squeeze lemon on a lemon pepper garlic chicken that I want to do. Because I'm marinating it, I use this sauce to put in the pan so the juices stay in and allows it to soak in. So I'm going to prepare a couple of these pans. The first thing I'm going to do my wall spray is on the floor. Is I'm going to sprinkle this on top. And I'm actually going to sprinkle this on top of all of them. Second thing is I'm going to use my bay leaves. You can also use parsley. Rosemary is good on it. So now that I sprinkle, and you don't need a lot because you're going to marinate this. Meaning once you put the lid on, the seasons are going to soak inside. They're going to soak inside, so you're not going to need to do, put a lot on it. You don't want to over season. So, and then you want to make sure you know which ones that you do. I usually start off by putting them in ABC order. So I do that so I know which ones I did. So I usually do my mosquito barbecue one first because it's ME and it's at the end. This is an orange tint. And I'm going to tell you now, this is extremely good. Then I'm going to do my other chicken because some people don't like the same season. I have had chicken where one might taste great and the other one I'm like, I wish they didn't do them all the same, or I wish they did different ones. The second one is my jerk chicken. I must do my jerk. However, I don't know why. You know what? We'll do the garlic instead. Let's do the garlic one. So we got those 3 done. And I always, what I do is I line them up here. So I know this is the first pan. I'm sorry, I did it wrong. This was my first one. This is my second one. And this is my third. So I know which one is what. So I can label it later. That way I can label it later. Then what I do is, because I marinate it, chicken makes its own juice. But I always tell people add in chicken broth to chicken. I can't explain it. It's delicious. It gives it something. It gives it that salt. So I always add a little bit in the pan. Because it, like, I can't explain it. Now you want to use gloves whenever you're using different seasons. And I'm going to tell you why. Because you don't want one season to transfer to the other one. You actually want to take this chicken and rotate it. Like when I say rotate it, you want to take it and pick it up. Rub it against each other. Just so the front, the back, all over have season. You want to flip it all around. You don't want to just leave it in the pan. So you want to move it around. You want to soak the season into the chicken. This is going to be part 1 of the video. Later on today, I'll have part 2 where the chicken is actually completely done. Well, not today, but tomorrow. So you want to make sure that you really rub the chicken. You can smell it, can't you, baby boy? Yeah. So,
is it cooked now?
No, it's not cooked yet.
It's still cold?
It's still raw.
Mom, may I help?
I'll let you help bake. I'll let the Zy Boys bake later on today. So this is how I prepare my chicken. And I just kind of wiggle it all around to get the sauces all over. And then I'll put a lid on this. And then once the lid is on it, it will go in the refrigerator and it will sit for the next 12 hours. At midnight, I will start cooking it. And it will say chicken part 2. Please tell me what you think about this video. Like,
subscribe, and hit the like button.
Share.
No, click the like button.
All right, click the like button and share.
And press the bell button.
The bell, yes, the subscribe button is the bell.
And click and get subscribed.
All right, so that's the Zy Boys talking in the background. Thank you for tuning in. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next round. Please comment below if you have any questions or concerns. And please check out our Facebook, other YouTube videos, our community research page on Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. So we have all those pages up, and it is Regina Young and the Zy Boys. Please look into them. Have a great day. Bye, guys.